If you've ever missed something during a live TV show or wanted to rewind a moment you didn't quite catch, this video is going to help you out. Today, I'm going to show you how to pause and rewind live TV on your Element TV. Step 1. Understand how it works. First, let's quickly talk about how this works. Live TV doesn't pause on its own. You need something called a buffer. That buffer is created by either a DVR, a streaming device, or an antenna setup with storage. So if you're using cable or satellite, a streaming service, or an over-the-air antenna, the method is going to be a little different. Let me break it down for you. Option 1. Using cable or satellite, DVR. If you have cable or satellite TV, this is the easiest setup. Most cable boxes already come with a DVR built in. All you have to do is press the pause button on your remote, and just like that, your live TV pauses. You can rewind, fast forward, and even replay moments instantly. If this isn't working for you, make sure your DVR service is actually activated on your account. Option 2, streaming services, YouTube TV, Hulu Live, etc. If you're using a live TV streaming service like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, or Sling TV, good news. Most of these already include pause and rewind features. While watching live TV, just press pause on your remote and your stream will start buffering. From there, you can rewind to earlier moments in the broadcast. Some services even let you start shows from the beginning, even if you tuned in late. Just keep in mind, this depends on the app and the channel you're watching. Option 3, antenna, over-the-air TV. Now, if you're using a TV antenna, this is where you'll need a little extra equipment. By default, antenna TV cannot pause or rewind live broadcasts. To make this work, you'll need something like a DVR for antennas, or a device like a network tuner with storage. Once that's connected, your TV will start recording live TV in the background. Then, you can pause and rewind just like cable. Quick troubleshooting tips. If pause and rewind aren't working, here are a few quick things to check. Make sure your app or service supports it, your internet connection is stable, and your device is fully updated. Also, try restarting your TV or streaming device. Sometimes that alone fixes the issue. Final thoughts. So overall, yes, you can pause and rewind live TV on your smart TV. You just need the right setup, whether that's a DVR, a streaming service, or an antenna with recording capability. Once it's in place, you'll never miss a moment again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. And if you have a specific TV or setup you need help with, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.